Do you want to master the art of meal planning on a budget? Welcome to the comprehensive guide that's sure to revolutionize your approach to mealtime. This isn't just about saving pennies. It's about crafting a culinary journey that's as delightful as it is cost-effective. Imagine a world where your fridge is free from forgotten food items that go to waste, and your pantry is stocked with purpose. No more impulse buys or expensive takeouts. Instead, we're talking optimized grocery expenses and minimized food waste. Sounds like a dream, right? But it doesn't stop there. What if your meal plans could be customized to suit your family's tastes and dietary needs? No more negotiating with picky eaters or wrestling with dietary restrictions. Instead, you'll be empowered to create meals everyone will love without breaking the bank. So, are you ready to change the way you think about food? Embark on a wallet-friendly adventure to elevate your meal planning game with us. Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly grocery shopping. Now imagine this. You're in the supermarket, your heart is racing, your palms are sweating, and it's not because you've spotted a celebrity in aisle 3. It's because you're trying to stick to a budget. But fear not, we've got some savvy strategies to help you navigate the labyrinth of the grocery store without breaking the bank. First up, buying in bulk. It's like going to the gym, but for your wallet. The more you put in, the more you get out. Buying in bulk is a smart move for non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods. Why pay more for less when you can pay less for more? Next, let's talk sales. Now, we're not suggesting you camp out in front of the supermarket for the next big sale, but keeping an eye on weekly ads and discounts can save you a pretty penny. Think of it as a treasure hunt where the treasure is a half-price tin of beans. Then, there's seasonal produce. Mother Nature is a savvy shopper too, you know. She rotates her stock every few months, offering us a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables at lower prices. So why not dine in with the seasons? Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Now, a word of warning about the siren call of impulse buying. We've all been there. You go in for milk and come out with a life-size cardboard cutout of a celebrity chef. It's easy to get distracted by shiny packaging and buy one get one free deals, but remember, every unnecessary item is a dagger in the heart of your budget. So, there you have it. Budget-friendly grocery shopping is not a myth, it's a lifestyle. It's about being smart, being strategic, and being able to resist the allure of that giant inflatable pool flamingo in aisle 5. Remember, a smart shopper is a savvy saver. Now let's venture into the realm of efficient weekly meal prep. First things first, selecting recipes. Think of it as your culinary map for the week. You don't want to find yourself halfway through a Tuesday night standing in front of an open fridge, as clueless as a penguin in a desert. So pick out your recipes for the week ahead. And remember, variety is the spice of life and the kitchen, so mix it up a bit. No one wants to be eating spaghetti bolognese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next up, portion control. This isn't just about watching waistlines, it's about stretching your food and your budget. Let's say you're cooking a pot of chili. If you're cooking for 4, but end up with enough to feed a small army, that's a lot of wasted food and money. So plan your portions and stick to them. But hey, if you do make a little extra, you've just sorted lunch for the next day. Now let's talk meal variety. The key to keeping your taste buds entertained and your wallet happy. You wouldn't want to watch the same movie every night, would you? So why eat the same food? A little creativity can go a long way. Try out different cuisines, mix and match ingredients, experiment with flavors. And finally, remember that meal prep isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. You don't need to have everything prepped and ready to go in one afternoon. Slice a few veggies here, marinate some chicken there. Break it down into manageable steps. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your week's worth of meals. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of work, and you're not wrong. But like my grandma used to say, a stitch in time saves 9. Or in this case, a bit of prep time saves a ton of stress come mealtime. So there you have it. With a bit of prep, your weekly meals can be a breeze. Let's spice things up with some delicious, budget-friendly recipes. Picture this, a steaming bowl of lentil soup, rich in proteins and fiber, and brimming with heavenly flavors. You could whip up a large batch on a Sunday and have it ready for quick meals throughout the week. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And the best part? It's as gentle on your wallet as it is on your taste buds. Now imagine a hearty chickpea curry served over a bed of fluffy brown rice. This dish is a powerhouse of nutrients, and it's absolutely packed with flavor. It's a fantastic example of how budget-friendly meals can also be incredibly satisfying. But let's not forget about breakfast. How about a bowl of oatmeal, topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a drizzle of honey, and some seasonal fruits? It's a nutritious, energy-packed start to your day that won't leave your pocket feeling light. And for those with a sweet tooth, how about some banana pancakes? With just a couple of ripe bananas, a few eggs, and a dash of vanilla extract, you can create a delightful dessert or breakfast that's both economical and delicious. These are just a few examples of how budget-friendly recipes can be both nutritious and tasty. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember you don't have to compromise on flavor or nutrition to stay within budget. Who said budget meals can't be a delightful culinary journey? To sum it up, mastering the art of meal planning on a budget is a game changer. It's about minimizing food waste, optimizing grocery expenses, and making mealtime a delightful culinary journey. The strategies we've discussed today, from savvy shopping to efficient meal prep, are key to making this happen. And let's not forget the tantalizing budget-friendly recipes we've shared. So subscribe now and let us help you revolutionize your mealtime.